In this video, we are going to use the search terms and phrase we came up with in the previous videos. If you haven't viewed them yet, I suggest pausing this video to check them out. The key terms we came up with from our research question were neurofeedback, treatment, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Now I'd like you to head over to Academic Search Complete, and in the first box, let's type in neurofeedback. And I want you to go ahead and select TI title. In the second search box, I want you to type in the keyword treatment. But I don't want you to put anything in the select field. This is basically a default, and it will search the word treatment in all the categories except for in the full text. Lastly, we are going to use our keyword phrase, which is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, which is down here. And I'm going to go ahead and put those quotation marks back in to make sure it searches all of that together in that order, and I would like it to search for subject terms. And I'm going to go ahead and press search. Okay, so we have 137 items in our results list. The items in the search results list will have the word neurofeedback in the title, the word treatment anywhere in the description, and the phrase attention deficit hyperactivity disorder in the subject. Now, if you remember from the first video of the 2.2 unit, you can limit your results to get more specific items. So let's go ahead and choose peer-reviewed only. And let's say I wanted to choose a publication date. I can go down here and I can either use the bar to change the dates, or I can type my start date down. And I'll put my end date here, so 2017 to 2020. And I'm going to go ahead and just press enter on my keyboard, and it's updating. Okay, so now our results are down to 32 items. I hope this video helped you to understand how to create keywords and phrases for researching. If you would like further assistance, contact a librarian at Windward Community College through phone, email, or chat. Happy searching!